This is the CMC Markets Connect Volatility Report. Banking stocks remained highly active on Monday, with downside pressures persisting off the back of the failure of SVB and other smaller banks in the US. Credit Suisse, where investors are already somewhat nervy, saw its shares fall as much as 15% at one point before staging something of a recovery. One-day vol sat at 247.96% compared to 81.48% on the month. Commerzbank wasn't far behind either, with one-day vol of 213.72% against 73.26% on the month. As a result, CMC's proprietary basket of EU banks, a cohort of 13 of the continent's largest, also saw elevated activity. The underlying fell by almost 7%, testing levels not seen in almost 2 months. One-day vol printed 104.41% against 35.49% for the month. That bailout for SVB, however, initiated something of a rally for cryptos, with Bitcoin adding close on 10% during Monday's trade and eyeing a return to levels last seen in August 2022. One-day volatility here came in at 91.22% against 46.26%, a pattern which was repeated across the asset class. A turbulent session for the US small-cap Russell 2000 may have seen the index close just over 1.5% lower, but the intraday movement served to lift volatility to 61.21% for the session against 23.95% for the month. And nervy markets in the wake of those US banking issues also served to undermine oil prices, with West Texas Intermediate at one point closing in on fresh lows for the year. Daily vol was 59.26% against 34.62% for the month.